Hi, this is Nadia, Montenegro. There's no business like job. Ayaw ni Kuya Germs ito ginagawa natin. My dearest friend, Donita, palakpakan niyo please, kawawa naman. She's going to cook for us today. Thank you for being here.
Yeah, you know, actually sa totoo lang, mahal ang talent fee ko. Wow! I wanna say that this girl is one of my closest friends in the business. And I just feel like, para kaming pinagbiyak. Kasi,
Siya yung mabait.
Oh, actually, I was gonna say...
Ako yung mas mabait.
I was gonna say, parang pareho kaming bad girl dati na gone good.
Yeah.
And look at us now.
Hallelujah!
Woo! Praise the Lord! Okay. So, kayo ay mapapa-praise the Lord when you try my recipe for today.
Yun na. Eh, ang gagawin niya ngayon is Thai Shrimp
Curry Noodles.
Okay?
I've done this before. I've done it once before. I tried it at home with chicken and then hindi ko na masyadong matandaan kung ano yung ginawa ko. But hopefully...
Parang noon pa naman ganun kami.
Hindi ako pwedeng pumalpak sa'yo kasi I don't know. Lodi!
Oh, grabe.
So, bago ako pumalpak. Okay, so I kind of pre-cooked the noodles already. We got sotanghon lang dito. But you can use any noodles that you like.
How long was your prep time?
Prep time. You know, the time flew by so fast.
7 hours yata.
Bastos ka!
Kasalanan ko! Kasi kulang!
Akala ko kasi may magpe-prep sa akin. Kasi darating lang ako para lang, gamitin yung ganda ko. And then pagdating ko, ako pala magpe-prep.
Sorry, girl.
No, it's okay. I'm just kidding. So, siguro mga 30-45 minutes only because sobrang OC ako.
Yeah.
But the good news about this dish is that kapag nag-prep ka na, sobrang bilis na. Makita
Yeah.
mo.
Okay.
Okay, so we're just gonna strain this. And then
I'll do it. Go ahead.
sauce shrimp plating na. So I've only done this once. So, kaya ako natatakot. But,
Bakit?
Ha?
Kakainin ko pa rin yan, girl.
perfectionist ako eh. I mean, more or less you have the idea of how it's gonna...
Perfectionist, palpactionist. Girl, in life, the best is making mistakes and
That's
perfecting
true.
it after.
Not on cam, but yeah.
Ayan mo na.
We're gonna cook the shrimp.
Okay.
So we take a little bit of oil. Okay. And then we're gonna saute the shrimp.
Is there a shrimp size that you were recommend?
The bigger, the more siya.
Yeah.
The more mahal.
Sugpo. Yeah.
Okay. So we'll take a few of these. And then...
Sabay tayo nawawala sa kitchen.
Ang kulit namin! Okay, so we're basically just gonna separate the shrimp for the plating purposes because, you know, in a dish, you need to deconstruct.
Okay.
Spell deconstruct.
Sira na naman.
So, ayan. Okay, we're gonna add the shrimp. Yeah.
I'm your sous chef.
Oh yes! I have a sous chef now. Pagkatapos ng lahat. Okay, so...
How long do you need to cook?
just until it smells good.
It does smell good.
Okay, so there, and then
Do not
now...
overcook your shrimps, remember, and your
Yes.
seafood. Yeah.
Okay, so now we need to get a blender.
Siya yung sobrang candid namin. Hindi mo lang naka-ready.
Okay, so next, we are going to blend our paste. If everything is already there na, wala nang problema.
Okay.
Okay, so we take the stems of the cilantro, and then we take the onions. I took 2 or 3 small onions. And then, yung garlic, siguro mga 4, 5, 6 heads, or 6 cloves. Okay, we're gonna stop it in there. Yeah, that's the most best way. Okay. And then, ginger. Ginger. Siguro mga 2, 3 thumb. And then we get lemongrass. And then, can you hold this?
Sure.
Tapos, we're gonna get the chilies.
Yung dried chilies kasi binabad niya sa water para mag-hydrate.
Yes.
So you can do that with anything that's dried, like yung mushrooms, tapos ano pa ba dried? Balat,
Okay, so I took about 4 of those. We have the
turmeric.
turmeric. We have a tablespoon of turmeric. We have 1 teaspoon of curry. And then we have some black
Coriander.
pepper and coriander.
Coriander
Coriander is
seeds.
about 1 tablespoon. Okay, so then we're gonna put maybe a little bit of patis for seasoning. And then yung palm sugar. You can use parang other sugar substitutes, but I prefer the palm sugar because that's very Thai. You know Thai?
Thai.
So I can.
Kaya nilang makipag... Girl, half na lang yun. Yung half kasi nasa braso ko eh.
About 1 cup. Chili water, the water from the chili.
Yeah.
And then maybe we should add a little bit of oil.
Chili hand.
Alright.
Jolly.
Hard-made canola oil. Better for the heart.
You know, that's perfect. Eh, kasi I cook with my heart.
Wow, good for the heart, better for the budget.
Oh,
Yun yung
yeah.
gagawin natin. Okay. So upside down, and then just press down.
Oh.
Ito na yung sauce natin. We're gonna grind it into a fine paste.
Okay ba yan?
Okay, we're gonna
Okay
grind
na,
it
girl.
into a fine paste. We're gonna reduce the sauce a little bit, and then we're gonna add our gata and assemble everything. And then that's
Okay.
it.
Wow.
Pansit.
Last na yan, promise.
Okay.
What made you decide to go into culinary school?
Oh, that is a very good question, Matthew. You're such a
Answer
good
well,
host.
ha?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, when I watched the movie Ratatouille, that's when I knew. Alam mo yung rat, di ba yung scene na tinuturuan niya yung kapatid niya na kumain ng yung how to pair food.
Yeah.
Tapos it's a colorful scene
Yeah.
where they talk about the explosion of flavors and ganyan. When I watched it, my eyes were just wide open and I was like, oh, that's me.
Yeah.
And then at that time, yung ex ko,
Yeah.
he looked at me.
Sino to?
Yung ex-husband.
Okay.
Yeah. So he looked at me and he was like, oh my gosh, that's so you. I was like, I know, that's me. So nangarap na ako mag-culinary school. And then it was only after a few years later na talagang nag-aaral na ako.
Girl, ito na. This is how it looks like. Naging paste na talaga siya. I can imagine the flavor of it.
Okay.
Wow.
So now, imagine no more.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow.
And then we reduce it a little more. And then plating na.
Sarap. Hindi mo ba na-realize na parang dapat talk show tayo, hindi cooking show?
We could talk
Gano'n
about
girl, sobrang thick na siya.
Okay. So pwede na tayo
Hindi,
mag-plate.
pinapadali ako lang para gusto ko na kumain.
Oh, okay. So let's do it. Let's put it together. Let's
Okay.
get the noodles. Okay, so let's plate it. Let's make it fluffy.
By the way, she boiled the noodles. She cooked the noodles with the head ng shrimp sa water para mas ma-flavor siya.
Okay. I won't put it all. We'll just for plating.
For plating, yeah.
Okay.
Wow! Girl, pakibilisan mo.
Kasi
Parang bagal mo. Perfectionist ka, alam ko, pero please lang.
so then we take our shrimp and
Ano na yan? Wala sauce. Oh, grabe.
give it height. Okay, and then
Wow.
and then we could put some toasted,
Wow!
and then you could squeeze the lime, or you could just serve it with it.
Oh, wow.
I was gonna put yung spring onion if you sliver them and
Yeah.
then you put it in ice, nagka-curl. Masarap yung ganon. So, and then that's it. And then you have your, you just
Wow, wait lang. Sobrang impressed ako. Sobra. Yay!
Ito.
Chili sauce. Chili oil. Wow, that is beautiful, girl. That is so pretty. O, akala nyo, ang hirap gawin, di ba? Coconut oil, konting shrimp, toge. My gosh, girl, that is so beautiful. Thank you.
So there you have it, our Thai. Our Thai curry noodle.
Wow. Okay, guys. Ito yung final, final na talaga.
Oh, final na.
Okay, ito na talaga yung final dish na ginawa ni Donita.
Yeah.
Ang ating
Thai shrimp curry noodle.
Guys, ito na yon. And before anything,
Dash of Donita.
and then follow Donita on Instagram.
Instagram, real Donita Rose, because there's fakes out there. And Facebook is official Donita Rose.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you more.
God bless you.
Wow.
And nandito lang ako.
Yes, I know.
Mwah! Hi! This is our arroz a la cubana. So, another all-in-one meal. Eh, pasensya na, lahat talaga ng mga niluluto namin. Madalas, all-in-one na, para isang ulam na lang.
So, I am the brand ambassador of Jolly Canola.
Ay ba, kasama sa blooper talaga practice yun.
Thai chicken.
Chicken.
Ay, chicken, hindi pala.
Thai.
Isa pa. Ito na po pala ang ating Thai shrimp curry noodle.
Sa susunod yung adobo
Okay,
lang.
sige, isa pa. Okay. So, ito na po ang ating Thai shrimp curry noodle.
Please subscribe.